The Icon Digital Energy Control System is the ultimate in initiation system technology because for the first time you have precise blasting thanks to detonators that are totally accurate. The accuracy of Icon digital detonators is clearly superior to pyrotechnic detonators. The absence of cap scatter is dramatically evident to both the eye and the ear in this visual comparison of 20 pyrotechnic dets on an 8-second delay versus 20 Icon dets on the same 8-second delay.
Fire.
The Icon system consists of three main components. The digital detonator is the heart of the system. The logger is used to communicate with the detonators and assign their delay times. And the blaster is used to fire the blast and communicate with the loggers. This video will show you how simple Icon is to use, but will also show you how Icon can open the doors to real productivity improvements. If you can use a bank machine, you can use the Icon system. The Icon logger has a menu screen like a bank machine, with various checks and balances that lead you through the process to ensure safe and efficient operation. The operator uses the keys to scroll through the steps in a logical sequence, one operation at a time. And if you make a mistake, you can easily go back and correct it. What's going on behind the scenes electronically is also simple. As the logger communicates with each det, it first confirms that the det is present and accounted for, and then it ascertains the det's unique ID code and finally matches it within the unit's memory to the required delay time that has been entered on the logger. To ensure maximum safety throughout the entire logging process, the dets are never being armed to fire. In fact, the logger cannot generate either sufficient signal strength or the right code sequence to arm the dets for firing. This is what we mean by inherently safe logging. The blast can only be fired by the blaster. All the usual actions required in designing a blast remain exactly the same. First, just as good practice dictates, you start with a plan that is taken to the bench. Once on the bench, the blaster follows the plan, loading and priming the holes just as he would have before. The Icon det is designed to fit into any standard booster, and the whole assembly is placed in the borehole as usual when loading. At this point, each Icon detonator is exactly the same, except for a unique ID number. None of the detonators has been assigned a delay time yet, so there's no danger of a det with an incorrect delay time being put in the borehole. This programmability feature also eliminates the need for multiple inventories in the magazine. When it's time to tie in the shot, the blaster simply follows his blast plan, going from hole to hole along a predetermined path, clipping each set of leg wires to the harness wire he carries with him in a spool. As he attaches each det, he assigns the appropriate delay time for that det using the logger, which is attached to the harness wire circuit. The logger emits an audible beep to confirm each connection. The screen on the logger tells the blaster which det he's talking to, and it also keeps track of progress. He simply moves down the row, assigning each delay time as he goes. If a change has to be made later, it can be. When the blast plan calls for a consistent incremental delay between the holes, the logger has a very efficient auto-log mode for even more convenience. In those cases, the logging process can be as simple as clipping the det onto the harness wire as fast as he can walk the row, and the logger assigns and confirms the delay choice automatically. For the maximum in simplicity, convenience and speed, many customers use Orica's Shot+I blast planning software to digitally download their blast plan timing to the logger directly from a PC. Additionally, after the blast, the as-blasted information can be uploaded back to Shot+I for post-blast reports, which include information like changes made to the plan and inventory used. This is the ultimate in blasting simplicity and convenience. When it comes time to fire the shot, you move to a position of safety and attach the blaster with a cable that connects to the logger. The blaster is also very simple to use, and is designed with several built-in safety features, including a special key to initiate operation. After a menu-driven sequence to first test, then arm and power up all the detonators, 2 keys must be held down simultaneously to fire the blast. Because the dets are all armed at the same time and their delay times are all set prior to detonation,
fire in the hole.
There is no chance of a misfire due to a cutoff. So there you have it. Total blasting accuracy in a simple-to-use system that can be learned quickly and easily. Now you're no longer restricted to designing solely with existing delay times. You're free to explore timing that fits the unique geology and requirements of your operation. In over 4,000 blasts around the world, the Icon Digital Energy Control System has proven that it can deliver major production benefits in all market segments, including quarrying, open cast coal, metalliferous, or underground production and specialty mass blasting. Benefits that are proven, sustainable, and delivered to customers every day. The Icon Digital Energy Control System. That's how easy it is to unlock real productivity gains at your quarry or mine.